Welcome back, everyone. Or, if this is your first time here, hello. I'm so excited to share today's topic with you. Credit cards, what I have, how I use them, and how much I owe. This is a subject that's incredibly relevant for anyone navigating financial goals or just trying to understand how to make credit cards work for them instead of the other way around. For those who've been following my journey, you know what we call a financial freedom journey. Financial freedom means different things to different people, whether it's eliminating debt, growing wealth, or living without financial stress. For us, it's about striking a balance, making smart financial decisions while using tools like credit cards to our advantage. Today, I'm breaking down all the credit cards we use, why we have them, and how we maximize their perks while avoiding unnecessary debt. By the end of this video, you might just see credit cards in a whole new light. Let's get started. Capital One Venture Card, the ultimate travel hack. Let's kick things off with the Capital One Venture Card, my go-to travel rewards card. This card has been a game changer for us, and here's why. My history with Capital One started in college, about 6 years ago, with a Capital One Platinum card. Over time, I upgraded to the Quicksilver for cashback and eventually made the leap to the Venture Card. Why? It's simple. Travel rewards. This card allows us to rack up points on every single purchase, whether it's groceries, bills, or big-ticket items. And the best part? Those points can be redeemed for travel expenses, gift cards, entertainment, or even straight-up cash. But we mostly use them for travel. Here's an example. In 2024, just by using this card for everyday purchases, including some big ones, we earned enough points to go to multiple concerts, spend 3 or 4 nights in Miami, still have leftover points to use as we roll into 2025. The beauty of the Venture Card is the extra value you get when you book travel. For example, we earn 4x the points when using it for flights, hotels, or vacation packages. Key details about this card. Account age, 4 years, 10 months. Credit limit, $21,500. Highest balance to date, $3,499. Crazy, right? Current balance, $716. We pay this card off in full by the 19th of each month to avoid interest, because paying interest is where credit cards lose their shine. Capital One Quicksilver, the cashback workhorse. Next up is the Capital One Quicksilver card. This card also started as a platinum card before being upgraded to Quicksilver, where it's stayed for almost 2 years now. What makes the Quicksilver appealing is its simplicity. Unlimited 1.5% cashback on every purchase. Key details about this card. Account age, 1 year, 11 months. Credit limit, $10,000. Current balance, $0. We do pay a $95 annual fee for this card, which is something we're reconsidering since it's not used often. However, it's come in handy when we've needed a stellar credit score for big purchases, like buying a house or a car. To keep the account active, we occasionally make a small purchase, like groceries, and pay it off right away. Wayfair Credit Card, financing made easy. Now let's talk about the Wayfair Credit Card, my newest addition. It's typically interest-free for a set period, in this case, 24 months. You often get perks, like cashback or points. The key details about this card. Account age, open January 2025. Credit limit, $4,400. Current balance, $683.54. Ashley Furniture Credit Card, the forgotten account. The Ashley Furniture Credit Card is an old account that's probably on its way to being closed due to inactivity. This card helped us furnish much of our home back in the day, but we don't have any immediate plans to use it again. Key details about this card. Account age, 5 years. Credit limit, $8,800. Current balance, 0. To prevent auto closure, I might make a small purchase on it, but honestly, we've bought most of what we need for now. Apple Card, a deal I couldn't refuse. If you've been here a while, you know I'm a huge advocate for paying cash for electronics. From phones to iPads to Apple Watches, we almost always buy them outright. But last year, Apple made me an offer I couldn't refuse, a financing deal for a new iPad with 0% interest. This iPad is also a business expense, so it made sense to finance it through the Apple Card. The balance is more than halfway paid off, and if I stick to the minimum payment of $124.74, it'll be paid off in 4 months. Key details about this card. Account age, 7 months. Credit limit, $6,500. Current balance, $625. Amazon American Express, the business card. Finally, I have the Amazon American Express card, which I use exclusively for business purchases. When I signed up, they offered a $200 credit, which was applied instantly to my order, practically making my purchase free. I rarely use this card now, but it's helpful for tracking expenses. Key details about this card: credit limit $16,600, current balance $0. Lessons learned and final thoughts. So there you have it, a complete rundown of all the credit cards I currently have and how I use them. Credit cards can be powerful tools when used wisely, whether for earning rewards, financing purchases, or building credit. But the key is to never spend money you don't already have. For us, every dollar spent on a credit card is backed by cash in the bank. This ensures we stay in control, avoid unnecessary debt, and make the most of the perks. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. How do you use credit cards in your financial strategy? Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.